दालों का घटना चिंता का विषय है। वहीं उन्होंने महाराष्ट्र सरकार को सलाह दी है कि वो किसानों के लिए कड़े कदम उठाए। स्वामीनाथन से खास बातचीत की जी मीडिया संवाददाता प्रज्ञा गुप्ता ने।
The man who made his decision to enter the field of agriculture after experiencing the Bengal famine of 1943 and a shortage of food in the country. The man who used his skills in genetic engineering and his power of persuasion to make the word famine unfamiliar in the country. The force, the vision behind India's Green Revolution. I'm proud to be speaking to the one and only living legend, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Sir, thank you for speaking to us. So the first question to you is, currently India is experiencing a pulses crunch. We all are witness to the skyrocketing prices of pulses. So what do you think can be done to increase the yield per hectare? Because farmers are unwilling to grow the pulses on irrigated land due to yield per hectare and of course the minimum support price. What are your views, sir?
It's unfortunate that our pulse production is not improving. So the supply-demand situation is getting worse. It is said we may have to import 10 million tons of pulses this year, almost the quantity of wheat we imported in 1996.
Right, sir.
I'm sorry, 1966. Situation is bad because the prices have gone up. The consumers are suffering because pulses constitute one of the most important protein sources, particularly for the vegetarians. Under these conditions, pulse production should go up. Fortunately, there is a silver lining on the horizon. In other words, most of the pulse crops, arhar, urad, mung bean, or chana, kabadi gram, in all these cases, our present yield of 700 kilograms, 500 kilograms per hectare is just half of what we can produce with good seed, with good pest management, and with some water harvesting, because pulses are grown without irrigation. They are grown dry line crops. In that way, it's an advantage because we are short of water. It's one of those high value, low water requiring crops. But I would say that we have the optimistic side open, but that won't come at easily. It requires both technology, it requires assured remunerative marketing, good storage, price management, and above all some cooperation among farmers in water harvesting, in pest management and so on.
So where are we lacking the research front, sir? So recently the ministry name has been changed from Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So what is being done in the direction of farmers' welfare per se, and where are we actually lacking the research front? Because yes, government needs action is required, but then
after visiting the suicide-prone areas of Vidarbha in 1974, I think I suggested to government. We made a formal report to the government that the Ministry of Agriculture should be renamed as Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, because I found at that time, although there was agrarian distress and there was recognition of agrarian distress, not enough steps are being taken. So I thought it must be the responsibility of Krishi Bhavan and all the Bhavans in the states dealing with agriculture to ensure that after all the grower doesn't suffer, the grower's problems are attended to. So the idea of adding farmers' welfare is to make the ministry aware that the well-being of the farmers, the economic well-being, social well-being, and health well-being, and living like drinking water and so on. These are all attended to in one ministry, rather than different ministries dealing with different aspects of farmers. So I am very happy that within a few days after my writing to the Prime Minister, he was kind enough to announce on August 15th that we will rename the Ministry of Agriculture. But renaming alone will not be enough. Because what is in a name, as you say, what is important is the outlook of the people living in Krishi Bhavan must change. They must think that their primary responsibility, they are existing there in order to ensure the farmers are happy.
तो इस बुलेटिन में बस इतना ही। फिलहाल यहाँ पर रुकेंगे एक ब्रेक के लिए। आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए जी बिजनेस।
Wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. Won't celebrate their Diwali in the theatres, close or far to them.